Hi everyone, this is Yvette. I have another project for you guys. This is a Foto Folio 3 from Paper Phenomenon, and it was the mini holiday collection edition. And this is, like I say, number 3. Number 3 was definitely my favorite. So I love how it turned out. The paper collection that I used was from Michael's. And it's called Glam. So this was a last year, or possibly even the year before, but my daughter found it, one left at Michael's. It was awesome. I was so happy for her and me to be able to find it. So in the front here, I was actually doing some art journaling, so I ended up accidentally splashing a little bit of blue ink on here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a few little blue splashes, which I don't mind. So I'm turning 50 this year, so this is what I plan to use for my photos. So in the cover here we have a pocket, and we have photo mats, and another tag. I love the folio. I love the paper collection. That's my spine, and that's my back. And on this side, I'll start on the right side, or maybe that's your left. But anyways, this was an address book, is what Kathy King called it. But I changed it into just a waterfall. So it is a magnetic closure. And when you open it, I have a waterfall. And what she did on hers is she added a brad at the bottom here, and it fanned out. But I wasn't too keen on that, so I preferred this. So this is what I used. So I have room for quite a few photos here and some journaling. So, and then on this side there's a pocket with a few more photo mats. And then when you open that, on this side we have a pocket. Love the paper, so cute. And then in the center here, I added a bit of glitter paper just to bling it up a bit. We have I think she calls this a slide and lock mechanism. So there's a photo mat there, another one there, and then a big one here. These two things line up so that your tags will keep it all close. So this flops down, and there's room for a photo on the bottom flap. And this opens up. Well, actually I have a tag in here first. This is a pocket on the top, and there's a photo mat. I'll put that back in there. And then this also opens to reveal a beautiful page layout. See if I can zoom out a bit maybe. So yeah, it's a really nice layout. And then when this flips out, you have another little layout on the top here. And my photo mats are applied with some repositional glue. So if I don't want the white photo mats, I'll pull these off and I'll put my photos down. A little bit of more bling here. And then here we have a waterfall. It's a cascade waterfall. And it's pockets. And then your tags come out for photos. Love this idea. And one more. And this is really cute. Love, love, love. And then I have another photo mat here. And then here. And I'm going to put, maybe I'll just put those in after. And then that closes. And it would go back together with your tags, which I will do after. And then that closes, and then we move to this side. And zoom in just a bit. So we have an acetate pocket here. So in there we have a tag, or you could put a photo. And it's also see-through on the back side. Love it. Looks like a Polaroid. This is a pocket. And this was really hard to mat the inside of this pocket. So I think if I did it again, I'd have to mat the inside before I stuck the top of this ensemble together. Because it was hard. Hard to get my paper in there, and I hate it when things are not straight. So anyways, I love that. Looks so great. And then we get to this side. And this here is like two belly bands. So you've got one here, and then you've got one underneath here. So one here, and then there's a pocket there, an acetate pocket here, and there's a little pocket on top here. So really cute. And I used the a punch board from We Are Memory Keepers to make these photo mats with the tabs. And then on this side, these are acetate, or not acetate, magnetic pockets. And I have just a couple photo mats in there. And looks like I've got a few in there, so I have them cut, but I probably will use them after. So there's a bunch of photo mats there. I think I might cut a circle in here so that I can take my tags out a little easier, because that was a little hard. Sides, there we go. So love that. That looks really cool. And then you flip it open, and we have a little layout there. So these are cards from the paper collection. 4x6s, 3x4s, paper piecing just to fill up some of the space. There's another 4x4 card. 2x2 photos, another 4x4 there. Here, there's a pocket. And again, I don't know if I'll be using all these photo mats, so I didn't want to mat them all, but this is what, and there's definitely room in the back for some photos. Another one here. So when they're in your pocket, they all stagger. And then another photo mat here. A little bit of gold in this collection, a little bit of silver. It's really pretty. This is probably my favorite layout. I love the shoes and the leopard spot, the white and black polka dots. I just love this layout. Love it. And then this is the back of the photo mats. And then here I've got 3 photo mats. Again, I don't have mats on these ones because I'm not sure I'll need them all, but there's the back of that one, and there's the front of this one. And they fit in this pocket here, and on this side we have the same. There, and then these two I don't have photos or mats on them yet, but I don't usually buy too many paper collections from Michael, so this was cute. I liked it. When I seen it, I liked it. I love doing my nails. I love to do makeup. I was a hairdresser, so I just loved it all. And I love the pink and the bling. So this will be, like I say, I'll probably use this for my photos for my 50th birthday. And I love how it turned out. And I love this Tyvek on cardstock. I love that binding. And yeah, I hope you guys like it because I sure liked how it turned out. Again, thanks, Kathy, for another wonderful project. And I will come to you when I've got another one ready. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.